How to use free VPN on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to use free VPNs on your Android device. Let's begin. Start by going on to your Play Store, and then from here, tap on the search icon at the bottom. I'm currently not connected to Wi-Fi, so let me just quickly turn on my Wi-Fi. Tap on the search bar at the bottom, and easily you can search for free VPNs. Once you search for it, you'll see a bunch of options at the top. So you can see this one right here has over 100 million plus downloads, and this one as well. These are pretty good ones that you can use. Let me just quickly go ahead and tap on this one right here, and I can just tap on install. You can use any one of them. You can also find the ratings for this. As you can see, it has over 1 million reviews and has 4.7 stars. It's pretty similar for other apps as well, like Proton VPN, Turbo, and more. So you can explore through them. Once your app is installed, you can go ahead and tap on Open, tap on Accept. It's going to check for your network settings. You're going to have to allow some notification settings to view the key icon at the top. So tap on Connect, tap on OK, and now you are connected to a VPN. If you want to manually select your location, tap on this and tap on server. If you set this to automatic, it's going to go ahead and select the best one for you and you'll be good to go. If you want to disconnect, just tap on connected again and tap on the disconnect button. You should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.